Toyota has finally shown us the Hilux BEV, the electric version of the world's most trusted pickup truck. But is it really the future of workhorses, or just another concept that looks good on stage but struggles in real life? Today, we'll break down an honest review of the Toyota Hilux BEV in 5 clear points covering its design, performance, utility, Toyota's strategy, and public reaction. Let's get started. The Toyota Hilux BEV is not yet a full production vehicle. It's still in the concept stage. Toyota revealed it mainly to show their direction toward electrification, not as a ready-to-sell truck. In fact, during media test drives, journalists weren't even allowed to open the bonnet. That tells us Toyota is still fine-tuning the technology and doesn't want to reveal too much. This means the Hilux BEV should be seen more as a prototype or a statement of intent from Toyota. They're testing the waters, showing investors and customers that an electric Hilux is possible, but not promising that it's arriving in showrooms tomorrow. Toyota itself admitted that this concept is mainly for urban use and fleets, not yet for heavy-duty off-road tasks. So, if you're excited about a Hilux that tows like a diesel, climbs mountains, and runs 600 kilometers on one charge, this concept is not there yet. But it does show that Toyota is slowly moving toward a carbon-neutral pickup future. In short, it's a step forward, but not the full package yet. Let's talk about how it actually drives. Early test drives show that the Hilux BEV is surprisingly smooth and quiet. When you press the accelerator, you get that instant torque that electric vehicles are famous for. Around town, it feels fast, responsive, and almost futuristic compared to the diesel Hilux. But here's the catch: the range is only expected to be around 200 to 230 kilometers. That's far less than most modern electric pickups, and nowhere near the distance a diesel Hilux can travel on a single tank. Its top speed is limited, and acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h takes about 11 seconds. For city driving, that's okay, but for highways or long-distance trips, it feels underpowered. Another point, Toyota hasn't confirmed regenerative braking, which means energy recovery while driving might be minimal. This again highlights that the Hilux BEV is designed for urban fleets, not long road trips or heavy-duty farming. So, yes, the drive feels modern and exciting in the city, but performance numbers show this is not yet a true rival to other EV pickups like the Ford F-150 Lightning or even BYD upcoming models. Hilux has a reputation as the ultimate go-anywhere, do-anything pickup, but this BEV version is different. It's currently designed as a single-cab rear-wheel drive model. That means no four-wheel drive, no dual-cab family option, and limited off-road ability. For countries like Australia or Thailand, where Hilux is often used for mines, farms, and off-road adventures, this version doesn't fit the usual buyer. Its limited range makes towing or carrying heavy loads a big problem because weight drains the battery fast. But, and this is important, Toyota sees a use case in urban fleets. For example, in Thailand, Hilux BEV are being tested as Songthy, shared taxis, and in mining companies in Australia. For these cases, where trucks drive short distances, have regular charging stations, and don't need extreme range, the Hilux BEV makes sense. So, while this version isn't the ultimate Hilux we know and love, it can serve a niche purpose for businesses that need clean, quiet, low-maintenance vehicles for city or site use. Toyota is taking a very cautious approach to electric vehicles. Unlike Tesla or BYD, which are fully committed to EV, Toyota is focusing on what they call a multi-pathway strategy. This means they are working on hybrids, hydrogen fuel cells, and battery EV at the same time. The Hilux BEV is just one piece of that puzzle. Toyota believes that in some regions, hybrids are better. In others, hydrogen may be the future. And in cities, EV like the Hilux BEV can work. That's why they are not rushing to launch it worldwide. Instead, they're running fleet trials in specific countries like Thailand and Australia to collect data and improve the design. The problem: this makes Toyota look like it's lagging behind. Rivals like Ford, Tesla, and BYD are already offering high-performance electric pickups. The Hilux BEV feels like Toyota is playing catch-up rather than leading the way. Still, given Hilux's global reputation, when Toyota finally does launch a production-ready electric Hilux, it could become a game changer. The public reaction to the Hilux BEV has been mixed. On one side, fans are excited to finally see Toyota moving toward an electric pickup. The idea of a quiet, zero-emission Hilux is appealing, especially in cities where noise and pollution are a problem. On the other hand, many Hilux lovers feel underwhelmed. They expected a truck that could match or beat the diesel version, but instead they see a concept with low range, limited power, and no off-road toughness. Some even say Toyota released this concept just to show they are doing something, without actually being ready for mass production. Still, optimism remains. Rumors suggest that by 2025 or 2026, Toyota may launch a proper production version with improved specs. If that happens, the Hilux BEV could win back the trust of both urban fleets and traditional buyers. For now, the truth is, it's a good start, but not enough yet. So, is the Toyota Hilux BEV the future of pickups? The answer is, not yet. It's smooth, quiet, and exciting to drive in the city. But the limited range and lack of rugged utility mean it's not a full replacement for the diesel Hilux we all know. Still, it shows that Toyota is finally taking steps toward electrifying one of the most iconic trucks in the world. The next few years will be critical because if Toyota gets it right, the Hilux BEV could become one of the most important electric pickups globally.